Hey guys, welcome to Indian Civil Engineers channel. In this video, we are going to see some multiple choice questions in surveying subject and we are going to discuss the answers with the explanation. Myself B. Priyadarshini, I have completed my ME in Structural Engineering and have teaching experience more than 5 years in civil engineering. Okay, let's go to the subject. First topic is fundamentals of surveying. And the first question is the survey in which the curvature of the earth is taken into account is called. Surveying can be classified as geodetic surveying and plane surveying. Okay. Curvature of the earth is considered in geodetic surveying. Okay. In plane surveying, curvature is not considered. And plane surveying, geodetic surveying, in plane surveying we are curvature of the earth is not considered. Okay. In geodetic surveying, curvature of the earth is considered. And plane surveying is conducted for small areas. Areas less than 195.5 kilometer square. And geodetic surveying is for huge area. Okay. Which is greater than 195.5 kilometer square. Okay. In plane surveying, line joining the 2 points is considered as a straight line. Okay. And here in geodetic surveying, it's not a straight line, it's a curved one. Okay. Fine. Next, move on to the next question. So the answer here is geodetic survey. Curvature of the earth is considered in geodetic survey. Next question, we already saw this. Curvature of the earth is taken into consideration if the limit of survey is, here it is more than 250 kilometers. Okay. Actually, it is 195.5 kilometer square. If it is 250 is given in the question paper, just tick that. Next question. In order to determine the natural features such as valleys, rivers, lakes, etc., the surveying preferred is. And the answer is topographical survey. In this topographical survey, natural features like valleys, rivers and lakes are considered. Okay. And this cadastral survey is for fixing the boundary lines. Okay. Next question. Which of the following survey is used to define the property line? And the answer is, we already said, cadastral survey, which is used by revenue department. Okay. Next question. The geodetic survey, the surface of the earth is considered as, so we already discussed, in plane surveying it's a straight one and in geodetic surveying it is a curved one. Next question. The difference between the sum of the angles of a spherical triangle on the earth's surface and the angles of the corresponding plane triangle for every 195.5 kilometers of area is only 1 second. Okay, this is a normal triangle and it is a spherical triangle. Sum of the angle of normal triangle and spherical triangle for area is 195.5 kilometers square. The difference is just 1 second. Okay, 180 degree, here it is 180 degree, 1 second. Okay, let's see next question. The difference in length between the arc and the subtended chord of the surface of the earth for a distance of 18.2 km is only 10 mm. In earth, it's a chord length, and for a distance of 80.2, it is 10 mm difference. Next question. The fundamental principle of surveying is to work from the whole to part. Main stations are like this, so that you have to work from the whole then to the part. By doing this, we can minimize the error. If we do this like from part to whole, the error will get maximized. Okay, cumulative errors occurs and it will affect more on the result. So that the fundamental principle of surveying is to work from whole to the part. Next question. The working from whole to the part is done in surveying in order to ensure that, yes, this is the correct answer. Errors and mistakes of one portion do not affect the remaining portion. Option D is the correct one. Next question. Hydrographic survey deals with the mapping of large water bodies. For large water bodies, we are conducting hydrographic survey. Which one is the upper limit of survey area in square kilometer for use of plain survey area? Yes, we know that 250 kilometer is the upper limit of the survey area for plain survey. Okay. In geodetic surveying, sum of the angles of a spherical triangle should not be greater than 540 degree. Sum of the geodetic surveying, spherical triangle, sum of the spherical triangle angle should not be greater than 540 degree. Okay. Next. In geodetic surveying, sum of all the internal angles of a spherical triangle should be greater than 180 degree. Next question. Which of the following scale is the smallest one? So the answer is, you have to convert all in same units as representative fraction. Okay, for 4 is to 2 lakhs, it is 1 is to 50,000. 1 centimeter is equal to 5,000 meter, and it is just 5 lakhs. And next one, 1 is to 5,000, and next one is 1 is to 50,000. So that the answer is option B. In denominator, the value is greater, then that is the smallest one. Okay, fine. Next question. When 1 centimeter on a map represents 10 meter on the ground, the representative fraction of the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Okay. So that representative fraction is 1 divided by, unit must be same for representative fraction. Okay, 1 divided by 1000. The answer is 1 by 1000. And next question is, which of the following statements in respect of map A having scale 1 is to 1000 and another map B having scale 1 is to 5000 is true? So as you see, 1 is to 1000 and 1 is to 5000. Which is the greater one? Yes, 1 is to 1000 is the greater one and this is a smaller one. So that from the given options, map A is large scale map compared to map B. This is the correct answer. Next, move on to the next question. So which of the following is the largest scale? So in the denominator, which value is great? This one. So that this is the smallest one. Here they are asking it is largest scale. So that 1 is to 500 is the largest scale. 18th question. What is the representative fraction for a scale of 10 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometer? And here what they given is 10 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometer. We have to convert it in same units on both sides, so that 20 kilometers, if we convert it into meter into 10 power 3 into centimeter, another 10 power 2. So that 1 centimeter is equal to 5 zeros. Okay, and the option is B is the correct answer. Next question. With an increase in the denominator of the representative fraction, the scale of the map will if the denominator value is increased, so the scale will get reduced, right? So the answer is option A, decrease. Next one. A plane scale is used to read two dimensions. Scales are classified as plane scale, diagonal scale, vernier scales, and in vernier it is retrograde vernier, direct vernier, and another one is extended vernier. Okay, and this plane scale is used to read two dimensions, which is 2 units. Okay, and this diagonal scale can read 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions, either it can be 1 unit digit and 2 fraction digits. Fine. Next question. A scale representing either 3 units or only 1 unit and its fractions up to second place of decimal point is known as its diagonal scale. Option C, diagonal scale, is the correct answer. Which of the following scale of the map is not affected due to shrinkage of map? Okay, a representative fraction is, we already seen this, is like this. Okay, engineer scale, and in graphical scale it's kind of a ruler of measurements attached with the map itself in a graphical format. As time goes, if the map shrinks, and these scales will not give the correct answer, but if it is in a graphical scale, then it will also shrink along with the map. Okay, so the shrinking of map is not affected in the graphical scale. Next question. In case of a direct vernier scale, we already see the direct vernier can be direct vernier, retrograde vernier. Okay, in direct vernier, these are the divisions. This is called main scale, and this one is vernier scale. Okay, in the direct vernier, the divisions are shorter than main scale. Okay, the divisions in the vernier scale is shorter than the main scale, and this graduations increase in the same direction. Okay, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and here also it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in case of direct vernier, the graduations increase in opposite direction. This is not true. Smallest division is longer than the smallest division of the main scale. No. Graduations increase in the same direction in which graduations of the main scale increase. This is the correct answer. Option C. If the smallest division of a vernier is longer than the smallest division of its primary scale, then the vernier is known as we already see, the direct vernier. And here in the retrograde vernier, The number of divisions, this is the main scale and it is a vernier scale. Here the divisions are longer than the main scale, and also the graduations increases in the opposite direction. Okay, so that smallest division of a vernier is longer than the smallest division of its primary scale, then the answer is retrograde vernier. Okay, next question. The vernier scale in which 10 divisions of the vernier scale is equal to 9 divisions of the vernier scale. So it's called direct vernier. Next one, what they say here is in main scale there is 9 divisions and in vernier scale it is 10 division. Okay, so that this one is shorter, right? Then it is direct vernier. Next question. The vernier is calibrated in the direction opposite to the main scale is called retrograde vernier. 10 divisions of vernier scale are equal to 11 divisions of main scale. What is the least count of the vernier scale? Okay. Here what they give is total number of divisions on the vernier n. Okay, is 10 and total number of divisions on the main scale is n plus 1, which is 11. Length of one division on the main scale S is equal to 0.1 mm. Here there is a formula for least count. Least count of the vernier, it's S by N. We can calculate it's N into V is equal to N plus 1 into S. From this, you directly apply the values here. For S, it is 0.1. Sorry. For S, it is 0.1 and number of divisions are 10 divisions. So divided by 10 and the least count value is 0.01. So option B is the correct answer. Determine the number of divisions required on the vernier scale if it is combined with the main scale of least count 0.5 mm. The least count of the combination required is 0.05 mm for the direct vernier. Here least count formula is S divided by N and least count value is 0.05 and S value is 0.5 divided by N, and for N it is 0.5 divided by 0.05. So that if we multiply it by 100 and 100, what we get is 50 divided by 5. So if we cancel it, the value of N is equal to 10. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Calculate the number of divisions of the main scale that is equal to 8 divisions of the extended vernier. And here extended vernier formula we have to use. Okay. Number of divisions on the vernier, n is equal to 8, and 8 divisions of vernier in extended vernier is equal to number of divisions of the main scale to n minus 1, which is 2 into 8 minus 1, 16 minus 1 is 15. So total number of divisions of the main scale is 15. 2n minus 1. Remember this, okay? Next question. Which of the following is true? Correct distance on map in terms of original scale is equal to measured distance on map divided by shrinkage factor. So if it is distance, so measured distance divided by shrinkage factor for correct distance. Measured distance divided by measured area divided by shrinkage factor square for correct area. Measured volume divided by shrinkage factor cube is for correct volume. So that all these options are correct. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct for estimating the corrected area from a map of shrink factor? It is inversely proportional to square of f. Okay. For correct area, which is equal to measured area divided by shrinkage factor square. So that inversely proportional to the square of f. Next question. A line of 5 meter on the original map is shrunk to 4.6 meter. Calculate the shrunk scale if the original scale of the map was 1 centimeter is equal to 80 meter. Original line on map is 5 meter. Okay. A and B. Shrunk line on map is 4.6 meter. Length of original line AB is equal to 5 meter. Length of shrunk line A dash B dash is equal to 4.6 meter. Then original scale of the map is given as 1 centimeter divided by 80 meter, 1 divided by 8000 original scale. Then shrinkage ratio is equal to shrunk length divided by original length, or else shrunk scale divided by original scale. Okay. So that shrunk scale divided by original scale. So we already know the shrunk length is 4.6 meter and original length is 5 meter, which is equal to shrunk scale we have to calculate, and for original scale it is 1 by 4.6 divided by 5 is equal to shrunk scale we have to calculate 1 by 8000 is the original scale. From this we can find the value of shrunk scale. 4.6 divided by 5 into 1 by 8000. and the answer is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter divided by 86.95 meter. So option C is the correct answer. You have to remember the formula of the sum. Shrinkage factor is equal to shrunk length divided by original length, or else shrunk scale divided by original scale. It's known as shrinkage factor. Next question. The maximum error on the drawing should not be greater than 0.25. The primary objective of surveying is preparation of plan or map. To prepare a plan or map is the primary objective of surveying. The shape of the earth is described as geoid. If geoid is not given in the answers, oblate spheroid. Go with oblate spheroid. Okay. Thanks for watching. Indian Civil Engineers channel. Subscribe to our channel. Happy learning. More videos are on the way. Thank you.